Hey friends, if you wish to fix unknown hard error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. If this doesn't help, then the next solution is to check the scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator, type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.